Okay, so today I will show you how to generate audio file and export and save it from ChatGPT to your local computer. So I provide this text. It is extremely larger text It has 5,000 plus words and 31,000 characters So this is very large text. I will have this into the ChatGPT and get the audio file First, you need to install this AudioTTS simple text-to-speech downloader. You can install from Chrome Web Store. And after that, you will see these two buttons, download all voices and auto speed larger text. So if your text is very large, you will need to use this. Just click that and paste here, and then click OK And after that, the extension will automatically split the text into several chunks and send it to the ChatGPT. After that, it will generate the audio. All the file merge into one audio file. Let's go. So better to keep your hand away from the keyboard during this process. Because it is automatically split and send the chunk to the ChatGPT. So please keep away your hand from your keyboard while this process is running. Okay, I think that is the last part So as you can see in the top box, the audio file is generating and we just wait the result until the file is ready for you to be downloaded into your computer Just wait. Okay, this is successful. The file size is 11 megabyte. It is a huge file. So let's listen to the voice.
Alara lived.
Okay, so this is insane. This is 31 minutes. So we will listen to the sample of the voice.
In a village nestled at the foot of the Whispering Peaks, a range of mountains that seemed to hum with an ancient, unseen energy.
This is the last part. Let's check if it is the correct last parts. How to minimize this? Okay. Let's see if it is the correct last.
Power could be both healing and destructive. As the seasons changed, Alara found a sense of peace, a contentment she had never known. She had found her place, not in the Whispering Glade, but in Oak Haven, in the community that had nurtured her, in the memories that had shaped her. The Whispering Glade remained a part of her, a secret she carried within her heart, a reminder of the interconnectedness of life, of the echoes of the past that resonated in the present. And she knew with a certainty that settled deep within her bones that the glade would always be there, whispering its secrets to those who dared to listen.
Okay, so that's all. So you can definitely generate audio from large text using this AudioTTS. So just install this Chrome extension and you can use the same feature that I use in this demo. Okay, Beside that, you can also, let's say you have another text here. So, okay, like this, yeah. We have several conversation here. You can export all this response as an audio by clicking this, yeah. Wait for the audio. Okay, so this is complete. So AudioTTS will generate the audio.
Hey, what's up? Okay, so Jakarta is like the super busy, always moving capital city of Indonesia. Law, do hearts are fine.
Okay, hopefully this help you to generate audio file. Download now in the Chrome Web Store. Just search AudioTTS. And click this, yeah. Not this, yeah. Oh, who create this? I need to check this, yeah. But this is the original, yeah. This is the new one. I mean, not new one. This is the true AudioTTS, yeah. Not this, yeah. I will check this. Who is he? Thank you for watching. Goodbye.